let's put together a box and show you exactly what goes inside the box when I send out an acoustic panel. Oh, yeah, it's a big, long, empty box. I even taped the inside because I don't want them to fall out. The first ones to go in are the long pieces, the C and Ds, with these numbered holes, I guess, for easier building. And look at that, it's just about perfect. And these little gaps in between allow it to flex and move as needed during shipping. But I don't want them to wildly shift during shipping, so these masking tape pieces here will keep these two pieces mostly intact. The AB and the EFG go next, and they're also taped down. Now in between the hardware, and in here are the silver ones that have the little eyelet on them for the wire to hang either horizontally or vertically, and all the black screws for putting it all together. This gray fabric is the liner that goes in the back, and the orange fabric is the fabric of color by this one particular client that goes in the front. Next step, the rock wool. Now, you can't just ship this by itself. It is, even though it's mineral wool, it is still insulation wool material, and it gets everywhere, hence the gloves. So what I do is I wrap it in this paper so that when you take it out of the packaging, you don't get wool everywhere, you know? And how do you cut rock wool? With one of these. Simply a serrated blade. Kind of feels like you're cutting cake. Forbidden cake. And then we get nicely divided 2 strips. And then we'll wrap it. Ta-da! And then it's dropped into the box, just like that. And we'll close it up. And then off to UPS. And that's how it's done.